I'm thinking this must be a Union Pacific big boy.
Nevada Pacific.
Nevada Pacific. This is really good here. We're here in Chattanooga, Tennessee at the Chattanooga Train Show. Two grand boys with us. What's your favorite thing you saw so far?
The train place with the screen. It had like a camera, and it worked. And there was like a screen, and it was connected to the camera on the train. And there was also like a lake. There was like a guy in the toilet. There was Star Wars playing for some reason, and there was a lot more.
That's cool. All right, we're moving on.